Hopefully everyone's doing well. My name is EQ, aka the Certified Gem Hunter, and welcome to Stockaholics. Now, if you notice I'm wearing the same thing in these videos, it's because we're running them back to 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 back. I'm getting ready for Miami Crypto Experience, where I'm going to be teaching a workshop from November 10th to the 12th in Miami, Florida. If you're at the event, make sure to check out my workshop, and it's going to be about the psychology of trading, as well as how to find gems. On this video, we're going to be talking about ADA swap. On this video, we're going to be talking about ADAPad, the first deflationary launchpad for the Cardano ecosystem. But before we get into this video, if you could take a second to throw a like on this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, check out our Crypto Accelerator program, that would be greatly appreciated. And without further ado, let's get this intro rolling. Now, ADAPad is currently ranked 448th on CoinMarketCap. We're sitting at 88 cents per token, up 2%, a market cap of 104 million, and it is based on the Ethereum Smart Chain and the Binance, so you have bridges to both of these, as well as being on the Cardano blockchain and ecosystem. You have a total supply of 117 million and a max supply of 1 billion, so it's deflationary and it's finite. Taking a quick peek at their chart. Again, all these videos we're going to be doing in these next 8 shots, there's not going to be many TradingView chart analyses because they don't exist. These are early shot charts, so these are projects that you want to DCA into. Obviously, that's not financial advice. This is all for entertainment purposes only, but for me, I will be looking to DCA into a lot of these projects, dollar cost average, averaging my way in, taking advantage of the best situation, the buying situations, the economy and the price can give us. But we do have a lot of room for growth. This project has only been out for under 2 months now, so we're looking to see a lot more growth on the upside. We've seen some seismic activity in terms of volume, and we're starting to see more seismic activity in this volume at the moment. There's no audits or anything on this project. Now they claim to be, they call themselves the first deflationary launchpad for the Cardano ecosystem. The Cardano Foundation recently announced the Alonzo upgrade, which will enable smart contracts and decentralized finance capabilities to the Cardano ecosystem. Now that is open, so you're able to take advantage of this. Now the ADAPad is a key place. Now the ADAPad is a key piece to the ecosystem, which started with BSCPAD in addition to a Cardano-based launchpad, which will give our team full control of cross-platform launches, enabling liquidity, sniping-bot protection, our cross-chain bridge, and proven staking ecosystems. So if you've heard of BSCPAD, which we've talked about before, these are from the same guys. They have ADAPad, they have BSCPAD, and they have another Ethereum pad, so they're able to work through their cross-chain bridging to enable all access across all bridges. That's what makes them so powerful. So technically speaking, investing in this, you're investing in within 3 cryptos because they're all tying and complementing each other. Now, how it works to be deflationary is that the ADAPad will include a 10% fee on all tokens sold and early unstaking fees of up to 25%. Now you have your self-fee distribution, 7.5% of the fees will be rewarded to stakers, 2.5% will be burned. And if you want to wait 8 weeks to unstake, there'll be no fee, but before that, you can lose up to 25%. Now to participate in IDOs, you must be staking ADAPad and have passed the one-time KYC process at least 3 hours prior to IDO time. So if you want to get into the launchpads, make sure you do this and sign up before you try to get into it, and you have to wait on these times. Now at the public price, it was at 1/4 of a cent. You can see how low it was at the public initial price, the supply at listing compared to the maximum supply, and the initial market cap. They also go through all their tokenomics, so you can see they're very transparent and everything makes sense. It all looks right. ADAPad tiers, project tokens offered on IDOs will be split into the following pools. You have your ADA lottery or your guaranteed tiers. Now this is the next step in the evolution of cross-chain launches because that's the new normal. As crypto landscape has evolved to include more and more blockchains, most projects now begin their initial planning based on the assumption that they will launch on multiple blockchains and or launchpads. With the resounding success of BSCPAD, TRONPAD, KCCPAD, ETHPad, we are able to cover multiple bases. Adding ADAPad to our ecosystem, we will be enabled to support new launches on the Cardano ecosystem. So again, you can see they already have a lot of successful pads on multiple ecosystems. This is just going to tie it together. But when you get into one of these, you'll be able to get into all of them. It's great. And it's backed by the full force of the Bluezilla marketing department. So since BSCPAD and TRONPAD have delivered immense value to the early investors, boosting 300x ROIs, massive levels of awareness on social media, and several successful launches, the power behind the TRONPAD marketing effort was not only did it trend on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap and DEX tools for over a week, but it was trending on Twitter. Now that was mostly fueled by Bluezilla, so they're legit. Now they have an incubator program that will help you select and support the most promising teams and projects, giving them marquee status across the ecosystem of launchpads. Now their legal department will help you set the best jurisdiction for your token, expert tokenomics to create the schedule creation, in-house development teams, access to marketing, exclusive access to IDOs. So it's great that they have an in-house incubator and they're looking to really help these young projects take off and make a lot of money. You know, when these projects do 100x on their ecosystem, it looks great for ETHPad. So that's what they want to take advantage of. And if you want to apply for the incubation, you can do so here. Here are also some means of communication if you want to get in contact with ETHPad. Now again, when we're looking at this market cap, is around 101 million to 104 million. So you're talking about a 10x move to get to 1 billion. That's not far-fetched, that's realistic. So if you're looking for a nice 10x project on the ADA platform or through Cardano, or just one that's through a major ecosystem and project that's just adding another spot, ETHPad is a great place to look. Now this is going to wrap up this video on ETHPad as well. If you didn't get a chance to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or check out our Crypto Accelerator program, make sure to go do that now. Hopefully you have a great morning, afternoon, or evening, depending on where you are in the world, and we'll catch you on the next one.